You have finally decided to lose weight and take your body into your own hands. The fact that you're watching this video means that you're looking for a right way to lose weight. By learning what is the journey in front of you and how to deal with challenges can go a long way in helping you achieve your dream body. No one will tell you many of the things that we'll share with you in this video, but they actually mean a big deal between success and failure. These details, though small, they can help you a lot when you look back one day. They save you a lot of time and effort in going through the wrong path. Today, we will share with you the things we wish we knew before starting a weight loss journey. Make sure you watch till the end so that you have all the necessary tips you need to enable you to have a breakthrough in your weight loss result. This is because with motivation, you have won half of the battle. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment saying I subscribe, or provide any suggestions on videos that you're looking for on weight loss, health improvement, or muscle building. And we will respond to your comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification so that you don't miss our videos. Now, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. The scale is not everything. Cultivating the habit to weigh yourself every morning has been found to raise your weight loss success rate. Several studies have shown that people who weigh themselves daily lost 15 pounds more weight on average than those who did not over a period of 6 months. It is best to weigh yourself after using the bathroom or before your breakfast. It is important to highlight that your weight can fluctuate on a daily basis due to various factors. Do not be alarmed and have it affect your mood. Instead, focus on the overall trends rather than worrying about the day-to-day changes. Use social media to document the process you have made. A lot of time, you may not see the change on your weighing scale. The change could come from you building muscle. Picture speaks 1,000 words. You could post a photo of you after workout. You could be surprised that you will be seeing some minor improvement of your body. This would keep you motivated. Number 2. Results won't happen overnight. Losing weight is not as easy as one would have thought. When you do not see much progress, staying motivated to lose weight can be terribly difficult. It is often the case that they suffer from the lack of motivation to start or continue on a weight loss program. It is important to be patient and stay motivated. It will take some time before you can achieve where you want to be. Avoid a crash diet. You may lose a lot of weight initially within a short period of time, but when you go back to your original lifestyle, you could gain more weight and be further from where you started. In order to have a sustainable result, a slow and steady process will enable you achieve your weight loss goal and maintain the shape you want for the long term. Number 3. Be consistent. Having consistency in your dietary plan and lifestyle is vital to keep you on course to lose weight. If on some days you stay close to the plan, while on other days you throw tantrums and consume everything with little control, you will not see much progress. Trust the process and stay disciplined. It is a question of time that you will reach the desired goal. Number 4. Say no to invites. Weight loss is not an easy journey. In fact, it can be extremely challenging and lonely at times. This is especially the case when you see your friends enjoying different food without having to worry about weight, while you have to be restrictive with your diet. All these delicious food sitting in front of you would give you the urge to enjoy them. If you do not control yourself, all your effort to lose weight will be down the drain. At times, you would need to have the willpower to say no to invitation from friends to have meals together. This is true if you know that these friends are not concerned with the diet. You may feel selfish and guilty of rejecting them. what you need to remember is that you're doing it for your own good. When it comes to your own health, you have to be selfish and take care of it. If you know that your friends are understanding or they are on the same weight loss journey, it is fairly safe to dine with them. You can also spend time with your friends, but not revolving around food. Number 5. Meal prepping. Spending some time over the weekend to plan your meal for the week can do wonders to your weight loss journey. Meal prepping has been vital to ensure weight loss success. It also saves you a lot of time during the week to figure out what to eat on a daily basis. It does not need to be fancy food. Most important point is that it must work for you. Instead of planning for each meal, you can also plan the ingredients. You can cook by throwing the ingredients for each meal. For greater success, it is better to pack home-cooked lunch. This is to prevent you from reaching out to fast food for convenience sake. A study found that people taking more home-cooked meals tend to have healthier diet, and this results in lowering the risk of obesity. In fact, participants in this study who took more than 5 meals per week of homemade meals were 30% less likely to be obese. If you are rushed for time in the morning, it is often a good idea to prepare healthy packed lunch in the previous evening. Number 6. Avoid being a perfectionist. If you have the concept of all or nothing, there is greater tendency that you would not succeed. It is important to note that you're not on a linear scale when it comes to weight loss. There are ups and downs. This could be due to skipping certain workouts when you are busy. Your diet may be off track. If you have heavy unhealthy meal for lunch, a perfectionist mindset could make you decide to take another huge and unhealthy dinner. Do not beat yourself up when a mistake is made. Instead, you should say that I had a heavy and unhealthy lunch today, so I should have a healthy dinner instead. Number 7. Must have both cardio and weight training. Both cardio exercises and weight training are crucial steps in your weight loss journey. Cardio such as jogging, aerobic, cycling, swimming, and stair climbing are excellent activities to burn fat. They are extremely effective to lose belly fat. Cardio exercises can also burn more calories than weight training for the same amount of efforts. However, weight training raises your metabolism. It also prevents you from losing your muscle mass. In addition, your muscle burns calories and fats while you rest. As a result, the burning of calories is not limited to the time during exercising. Your body continues to burn calories even after the workout. Besides weight loss, lifting weight can also tone your body. Different workouts use different muscle groups of your body. It is important to adopt a variety of exercises. Combine the cardio and weight training exercises for optimal weight loss result. Exercising in the morning provides another benefit to maintain a steady sugar level throughout the day, and this tames hunger to some extent. Number 8. Having workout does not mean you can eat everything. After hitting the gym for a great workout, you thought you had burned a lot of calories, and you deserve to have a great meal to fill up your body. Most people would end up eating much more than the calories they burn. As a result, the weighing scale went up higher. If you want to reward yourself, do it without food. You can reward yourself with movies, buying dress, or anything that you enjoy doing. In summary, it is important to note that weight loss does not come overnight. You may not see much results in the first few days. Do not be disappointed. Instead, you should keep yourself motivated. If you are consistent to have the right diet and work diligently with a combination of cardio and weight training, you should be confident that you're on the right track to achieving your weight loss goal. Watch the next video and the videos with the links in the description below for effective and natural methods to have a breakthrough in weight loss. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss more videos on how to lose weight, improve health and build muscle. I will see you in the next video and take care.